Morocco. An unwed mother of a 4-year-old. Her status means that she and her child cannot obtain identity papers. This denies them a host of fundamental rights. Rwanda. A widow. Her status means she cannot hold on to her land and will slide into poverty as a result. Afghanistan. A victim of rape, and yet she stands accused of moral crimes. She is unaware of what her rights are and has no one to defend her. The law is an essential tool for advancing women's and girls' rights and equality. It is central to assisting women to become equal partners in decision-making and development. But for women around the world, poverty, the pressures of family life, and specific cultural practices combine to make equality a distant notion.
Particularly for the poor women, for the marginalized women, they don't have their basic rights to food security, to education, to legal aid, to health facilities, to water.
Access to justice, in other words, demands knowledge, literacy, money, and time. Under the heading Accessing Justice, IDLO has sponsored a number of studies focusing on the problems women commonly face. These relate to property rights, inheritance, divorce, child custody, and spousal abuse. The studies in Afghanistan, India, Namibia, Rwanda, Mozambique, Tanzania, Morocco, Papua New Guinea, and the Solomon Islands highlight a variety of lessons for practitioners. Some involve engagement with informal legal systems, others don't. But the key lesson is this: justice for women is about more than passing laws and reforming court systems. It is about grassroots legal empowerment.
Umuhimu wa wanawake kuweza kumiliki rasilimali ikiwa ni pamoja na rasilimali ardhi.
The international community has invested substantially in programs designed to strengthen the rule of law in developing countries, but the vast majority of women and girls have yet to see the benefits. Barriers to women's access to justice are political, social, cultural, and psychological. Each individually and all of them together are holding women back. IDLO believes that carefully designed legal empowerment solutions can greatly expand women's access to justice. Approaches must be context-specific. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to the many problems women face around the world. Even so, research indicates that legal empowerment projects work best when two other things happen: efforts to boost women's economic autonomy and moves to reduce discriminatory attitudes in the community. Formal and informal justice systems need to be worked on side by side. We must explore partnerships with non-legal service providers, in particular those active in income generation, protection from violence, and food security. Above all, we must, at all levels, engage with civil society and listen to women themselves. Only then will we ensure that measures to help them finally achieve justice are both legitimate and sustainable.